Hi, I'm Jennifer Fallon. I am the Vice President of Wide Format for UBEO West, and I'm here in our HP Customer Experience Center and super excited to talk to you about the HP PageWide XL Pro. I know that's a mouthful, but let me tell you, this is a third generation product that we have from HP that is so innovative, and I'm so excited about it that I want to go into the detail. So a little bit about PageWide and HP. They revolutionized CAD printing with this product 3 generations ago, basically giving you fast, incredible black and white and color CAD, same cost at speeds that rivaled the black and white. So really, they just took over the entire market for reprographic plans. Well, what they've done is they've taken it up to another level. Now you can do both in the same unit, graphics and CAD in the same unit. How did they do that, you ask me? They basically re-engineered the entire ink system. There are fans, the droplets lay down more accurately, and so now not only is our ink consumption less, but we can get the quality graphics that you were looking for if you had a previous generation PageWide, but in the same unit. And it prints directly onto boards. Yes, not a flatbed. Directly onto boards. We're going to show you a little bit later, feeding it through the front, but you can do 3 boards a minute with this beauty. That is something that you cannot do on any other product in the market. Few things about those boards. They are indoor quality, obviously aqueous, but with pigment ink, you don't have to worry about the rain. You can even laminate it to give it some extra longevity. But let me tell you, the quality is absolutely phenomenal. You will be floored by this quality. Where are we going to see this unit? We're going to see it in a couple different places. Let's think of an implant. You're bringing all your central planning, printing inside, let's say for a hospital, a medical device company. Several different entities are really going to that decentralized again. Well, you can do all your facilities plans on this as well as your graphics in the same unit with an unskilled operator. There are a lot of people that get into the graphics market and just can't find the right employees to stay and to be able to know how to do those really difficult, talent-needed mounting and laminating services, right? With this, the dialogue is so easy, you wouldn't believe anybody can do it. A 5th grader could do it. I bet you my 5th grader could do it. But we'll go into that a little bit later. So having that ability to have both in the same unit is absolutely innovative and nothing else like it on the market. So let's look a little bit at the unit itself. We have a scanner, we have 2 rolls online, we have the board ability and an easy to use interface here. You can scan, copy, print right up from the front panel. So easy. In fact, when it comes to the scanning technology, you can zoom into the actual photo and correct certain areas of the image before you commit it to digital, which is something that the market really doesn't have. So let's look a little bit more at how we actually print on a board, because I know that's what you're going to be excited about. Let me go into the media settings. It asks me, hey, load that board, and it's going to tell me exactly what to open. Look at that dialogue, so easy. So I'm going to walk over to this direction, open this up. It then tells me to click that back, and it's ready for our board. Now, right now, we have foam core, and we are coming out with chloroplast for your political signage, your real estate signage, for your graduation signage that you want to have outdoor for a couple of months. But right now, we just have foam core. And let me tell you, we just had a tech event here, and we printed over 40 boards, customer testimonial, wayfinding signs, everything that we needed within our show was printed on this using the foam core option. And we were able to bang those out as quickly as possible, looking absolutely phenomenal. So I'm going to grab my board, and you can see from the dialogue here, it tells me to justify it to the right, and then I'm just going to push it in and wait for it to load. Now, once that board is loaded, it'll give me back the indicator that it's ready to go. And then I can shoot down whatever image I want. And this is a 30 by 40 board, which is the maximum size that the product allows. Now for this, I'm going to just go back into the job queue and print some boards that I've printed in the past. Isn't this beautiful? I can go right in and call a job and reprint that job very easily. It's asking how many copies. I'm actually going to do 2. And I'm going to say print. Now it's so smart, it already tells me, hey, your tray on the back needs to be elevated to be able to handle the board. So I'm going to walk back, put the tray in the right position, bring also the static guards up. Once it feeds the first sheet, it'll then ask for the second and actually gives me a dialogue that tells me that it's time. This is where your unskilled operator will be able to manage. And again, this is 3 boards a minute. And there you have it. We just did 4 boards in about 1 minute, 20 seconds. Have you been able to do that on any of your systems today? Absolutely not. 2, 2. And here they are. If you want a beautiful finish, you can trim these very easily with a keen cut system or a trimmer that you have with your application table. Finished, beautiful products. Able to be indoor for about 1 year or 2, outdoor for about 2 or 3 months, and again, lamination will give you additional longevity.